Hey guys, Burlog Awesome here, and what looks like a complete mess right now is soon going to be my fourth idea that I made a tutorial for, and it's called the rolling tape idea. And to start off with the materials, you need one big block, one big board, 3 Hot Wheels tracks, you need 2 dominoes for supports, and a bunch of dominoes just to line up later in the trick. You need string that I've pre-connected to a domino here. You need a playing card. You need a roll of tape, which is going to be the base of our trick. You need a bunch of Jenga blocks for supports, and you need 4 tubes that we'll place in our trick. And as always, you need tape. And one thing that you need that a lot of people don't have, but you can make out of connects pretty easily, is a direction changer. So to start off, what you do is you take the board right here and you place it on top of the block. Next you take your 4 tubes and you put them on this board, but first you have to tape them down, and you want to tape them down so that a roll of tape can roll perfectly in between them. Place a domino, and this is where our trick will get its multi-use element. You're going to tape the dominoes down as well. You're going to place the last 2 tubes right next to the domino. And all of these things should be 2 parallel lines, and the length between these parallel lines is 1 width of the roll of tape. So now a roll of tape should be able to easily roll between them, like that. So now comes the multi-use element part. You're going to take the card and put it between the tubes like this. So when the roll of tape comes along, it's going to get stopped. And to that card, you're going to attach a string, which is already attached to a domino. This string will later be pulled out, as seen right here. And now we need to connect our trick together. So we have the direction changer, and what this direction changer does is it's going to provide something to happen while the tape will just be stuck right here on the card. While this is happening, the tape will actually push the direction changer, and the direction changer will let something else happen to release this card. So we're going to attach the direction changer. In order to do it absolutely perfectly, you would have to use duct tape or hot glue. So now this tape should roll almost effortlessly and hit the direction changer. But you can't exactly change direction without actually hitting something. So what that something will be is a marble. But the marble has to do something, so we put on supports for this track for it to roll on. What the direction changer will do is it will knock the block out so that the marble can continue like this. And now we've connected a direction changer. And now we're going to make the trick even more interesting. And how do we do that? By attaching a ping pong ball and connecting the 2 parts together. And how do we do that? Of course, we have to use string. And we're going to connect Hot Wheels tracks too. So the ping pong ball will end up rolling through the tape here and onto the other side. So what we notice here is that if the card stopped the roll of tape like this, which it should, if the card was right after the dominoes, then the ball wouldn't be able to roll through the roll of tape because the domino is too high, and because the lowest point of the tape is too far away from the lowest point of the track, which should be right here. So how to fix that is to move the tracks a little farther down